Alright guys, it's noodles challenge. Hot noodles challenge. With one pure water each. First to finish it wins 1,000 naira from me. First to finish it in the next 60 seconds, we win 1,000 naira from me. Alright. But then we also have to finish it with the pure water. Alright, let's go. 60 seconds, let's go. 1, 2, go.
Wait, people don't know. Keep full, use your mouth. I swear.
We have to also finish it with the pure water. Don't worry. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I want you to win this money. Please keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're almost there.
Don't get anybody.